Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Self-Sufficient Mama. Today we're going to be making apple cake. This is a double recipe and I am making it for my daughter's birthday. She wanted to try out my famous apple cake. And you can use this recipe with regular flour, but I'm going to be using einkorn. So let's start off by adding our wet ingredients. So for the double recipe, you're going to need a half a cup of shortening, 2 eggs, and to that I'm just going to try to mix it, cream it together. I'm going to go ahead and add my sugar to this. So you're going to need 2 cups of sugar, to this we're going to add 4 cups of apples, this is going to be a very thick batter, don't worry, it will turn out fine. To this I'm going to add 2 cups of einkorn flour. Like I said, you can also use regular flour. Then I'm going to add my cinnamon, which is a teaspoon and 1/4. Salt is going to be 1 teaspoon. Baking soda, 2 teaspoons. We're just going to cream all this together, and that is basically the cake part. You can eat this cake as is. It will have kind of a crunchy top and edges with a sticky moist center, but I like to put a whole bunch of cream cheese frosting on top of mine. And I've been making this recipe for 22 years. One of my friends growing up in Oregon taught me how to make this, and I've been making it ever since. You could also probably try this recipe with spelt and kamut flour or any other kind of ancient grain flour as well. Alright, so we are going to add our cake mixture into a greased cake pan. Like I said, this mixture is very thick, but the apples make it really moist when it's cooking in the oven. So just spread this out. And then this is going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 45 to 50 minutes. Alright, so here is the cake. I took it out of the oven a couple minutes early because I'm using glass and it cooked it a little faster than normal. So I'm gonna let this cool and then I will make frosting. Okay, so while the cake is cooling, we're gonna make the cream cheese frosting. You're gonna need 8 ounces of cream cheese and 2 whole sticks of butter, a dash of vanilla, and pretty much a whole pound, which is 16 ounces of powdered sugar. You want to make sure both the butter and cream cheese are room temperature. So you can take little breaks and add more powdered sugar at a time because it does have a tendency of flying everywhere. And the last bit here. Sorry for all the background noise. We are in quarantine and I have 6 people and dog in my house, so. So it's all nice and creamy and your frosting is good to go. We just need to put it on our cake. Alright, so our cake is cooled. So now we can frost it. I like a lot of frosting and so does my daughter. We both agreed on that. My husband, he doesn't like frosting as much as us. And you can store this cake in the refrigerator since it does have cream cheese frosting. You can warm it up later if you want, but I enjoy mine cold with a nice glass of almond milk. Alright, and there's our beautiful apple cake. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Let me know what you guys think. See you later.